Hi guys, my name is Perde and today I'll be showing you my version of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, Project 3, the pizza website. So for this project, I built a web application for handling a pizza restaurant's online orders. Users will be able to browse the restaurant's menu, add items to their cart and submit their orders, as well as restaurant owners being able to add and update menu items and new orders that have been placed. For this project, I've used a framework called Django, which is particularly good for handling forms. Furthermore, my web application supports all available menu items for a particular restaurant called Pinocchio's Pizza and Subs, which is a popular pizza place in Cambridge, Harvard Square. Okay, let me go ahead and show you the web application running. Okay, so here's the URL, paste it into Chrome. Okay, so here's the general GUI, which all the menu items from Pinocchio Pizza and Subs, all of it here. Okay, so one of the requirements is this, of course. We need to handle all the website available menu items from Pinocchio's Pizza and Subs, which has been done. Using Django admin, I should be able to add, update, and remove items on the menu. Let's go ahead and show you that. So, admin, let's go ahead and log in. Okay, we're here now. So let's go ahead to go to pastas. Let me show you what it looks like to get rid of something. First of all, we can remove this item, for example, delete this selected pasta, and go. If we go back, we can no longer see the test pasta. Okay. Now, if we want to re-add that test pasta, we can do that for certain. Go to pastas. Let's go back actually. Let's add a new pasta. Let's say test pastas. No, let's go ahead and do new pasta, for example. Okay, new pasta with sauce or something. We can change the price to whatever we want. Let's say $23 possibly. Yeah, $23 looks good. Let's save that. You can see this new pasta. If we go to the site, then we'll be able to see new pasta added, new pasta with sauce. And similarly, we can add more stuff. Let's go ahead to salads and add a test salad, new salad, any price, let's say $5. Save. Okay, view site, test salad, new salad of $5. Finally, I'll show you how you can update stuff. For example, if we go to subs, let's go here. No, we don't need to change subs. Let's go to salads itself and possibly change the price of this salad with tuna. Let's go ahead and update this. $20. Quite a drastic change. New addition to our recipe, for example. Save that. View site. If we can see this, salad with tuna, a new addition to our recipe of $20. Okay. Finally, we should go back and have a look at registration, login and logout. Let's quickly do that. So let me log in as, let's register first. Let's go ahead and do test user, just an example, test user at gmail.com, test user, register. Now we can just log in, test user. Okay, log in. Here's the way we can log out, and just by pressing this button we can also log out, but we don't want to do that straight away. From here we can see a representation of the restaurant's menu and add items to the virtual shopping cart. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. let's add toppings just to show you how it works with the toppings. Cheese large size, possibly a Italian large size sub, and antipasto. Let's go ahead here. Cart, and in the cart we can add more if we want. Greater quantities, for example. We might not want so many. So let's say we want an antipasto, and actually I've decided not to have this Italian dish. Let's go to next. We can add street address, around streets, HIB, SD, postal code, and of course, in a real web application, we would add all of that. So here's the toppings. We can select the toppings that we want. Let's say mushrooms and pineapple. Maybe not such a good mix, but just for test purposes. Finish. Orders submitted. Now we can wait. So if we head, oof, not that. Placing an order. We've placed the order, and then viewing orders. We can have a look at these orders through the admin site. Go back to admin. Just re-log in. 3. Okay. Let's see the orders that have been made. Test user submitted. So we can say this, and here's where we can add whether we can see what orders have been made basically. And from here, my personal touch is that I've added a sign to say like it's in production, whether it's left to deliver, delivered and cancelled, so that the user can see when it's going to come and whether it's been cancelled or whether it's still getting done. So let's say delivered, for example. Save. Let's go back to the site. Go to here. My order. Wait, sorry. Let's re-log in. So test user. Okay. Let's go to here. My orders. We had made order number 22, June 4th, 2020, and that was the same total. Now the status is delivered now instead of submitted. Okay. So that was my personal touch. And then finally, I was going to show you how we can make a custom toppings selection. So, go quickly. Let's actually change a pizza. We can go to this 2 toppings. Let's change it to like, say, 10 toppings. Okay, no, so many. 5 toppings. Let's change that to 5. Save. Go back to the site. 5 toppings, large size, for example. And then let's say we want to get that this time around. We've got a 5 topping size. We can skip all of this for now. And then we've got an option of picking 5 different toppings in this case, for example, depending on what the user wants. And the order is submitted once again. And that checks everything on the list. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.